not bitter. You're not broken. You're just done. The old you, the one who double texted, who waited by the phone, who apologized just to keep her, he's gone, erased, a ghost in your own timeline. And in his place, something darker rises, colder than silence, stronger than heartbreak, smarter than regret. She won't understand it at first. She'll feel your absence like a phantom limb, painful, confusing, constant. She'll check your status, rewatch old messages, stare at her screen like it holds the key to salvation. But nothing comes, and that stillness, it will devour her. Part 1. The mindset of emotional extinction. Weak men seek closure. Elite men execute erasure. Understand this. 99% of your suffering? Self-inflicted. Because you built an identity with her as your center. But kings don't orbit. They command. You don't need closure. You need clarity. You don't need a new woman. You need a new operating system. Let's reprogram. Law 1. Cut the emotional tether. Every scroll on her feed? A relapse. Every message we read? A poison pill. Every daydream? A delay in dominance. Block. Delete. Forget. Her name? Should taste like ash. Law 2. Dehumanize the memory. She is not your twin flame. Not your destiny. Not even real. What you miss is an illusion. A cocktail of dopamine, lust, and fantasy. Dissect it. Deconstruct it. Reduce her to data, impulses, echoes. Now erase. Law 3. Become emotionally invisible. No reactions. No likes. No typing indicators. You are unplugged from the grid. Mentally. Emotionally. Spiritually. She will test you. A random, hey. A memory. A picture. That's not love. That's control. Your silence? That's your sword. Part 2. Absence as a strategic weapon. Absence is not weakness. It is warfare. The feminine mind doesn't crave closure. It craves control. And when control vanishes, obsession is born. Tactic 1. Full system blackout. No stories. No updates. No traces of life. You don't exist. And that mystery, it will eat her alive. Tactic 2. Let her mind invent your replacement. Is he with someone new? Why isn't he watching my story? Why does he look different? Her mind is now your soldier. Every thought, a bullet to her ego. Tactic 3. Build your empire in darkness. You are in the shadows now. Training in silence. Winning in silence. Becoming in silence. You don't need validation. You need velocity. Part 3. The cold execution loop. No more emotions. Only execution. No more healing. Only dominating your day like a machine. Phase 1. Ice cold mornings. Wake before the world. No good morning texts. Just pure, focused ritual. You are sculpting steel where your soul used to be. Phase 2. Locked in midday. Phone flipped. Focus maxed. No thoughts of her get in. You've turned your mind into a fortress. She's now a trespasser without access. Phase 3. Nightly emotional purge. Pain must pay rent. Every thought of her is a tax. You process it, burn it, move forward. Part 4. The final shift. Become the ghost. You're not chasing. You're not healing. You're ghosting, strategically, permanently, divinely. You are the unreachably disciplined version of yourself. An apparition of power. Chill. Watch your stories from fake accounts. Ask your friends questions you'll never hear. Try to test the silence with weak bait. But you remain untouchable. A shadow of who she knew. A god among echoes. She doesn't miss you. She misses control. But that man, he no longer exists. Final dark loop. She thinks you hate her. But it's worse than that. You don't even think of her at all. You're too locked in. Too evolved. Too far gone. She lost you in silence. And now, she mourns you in private. Forever. If this rewired something inside you, smash that red button. Don't just watch. Transform. Subscribe, and then disappear. Subscribe, then evaporate.